everyone, welcome to True Projects. In this video, we are going to discuss the project Stock Market Prediction using Support Vector Machine. Introduction. Stock price prediction is one of the most widely studied and challenging problems, attracting researchers from many fields including economics, history, finance, mathematics, and computer science. The volatile nature of the stock market makes it difficult to apply simple time series or regression techniques. Financial institutions and traders have created various proprietary models to try and beat the market for themselves or their clients, but rarely has anyone achieved consistently higher than average returns on investment. Support vector machines have proven to be valuable instruments for forecasting stock prices. SVM is a robust machine learning algorithm that excels in classification and regression tasks. Leveraging its capacity to identify complex relationships within data, SVM has found applications in diverse fields including finance. We will navigate through the essential steps of data preparation, model training, and evaluation of implementing SVM in the context of financial forecasting. By understanding the principles of SVM, we aim to harness its potential to make informed predictions about stock prices, ultimately contributing to a more comprehensive understanding of the dynamics of financial markets. Objective. The primary objective of utilizing support vector machines for stock market prediction is to leverage machine learning techniques to enhance the accuracy and reliability of forecasting future stock prices. By understanding and quantifying risks, the model can contribute to better risk management strategies, aiding investors in mitigating losses. The aim of the project includes prediction accuracy, risk mitigation, decision support, adaptability to market dynamics, time series analysis, optimization of hyperparameters, validation and generalization, and contribution to financial research. SVM ability to discern complex relationships in data contributes to informed investment decisions, potentially improving overall portfolio performance. The primary goal is to achieve high predictive accuracy, providing investors with reliable forecasts for stock prices. By utilizing SVM's capabilities, we aim to offer a valuable decision support tool, enabling more informed and data-driven investment decisions. Requirements. We use two types of requirements here. The first one is software and the other one is hardware. Coming to the software requirements, we use the programming language Python 3.7.0, front-end framework Django, database MySQL, front-end technologies HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. Hardware requirements. Coming to the hardware requirements, we use the operating system Windows only, processor i5 and above, RAM 4GB and above, hard disk 10GB and above. Methodology. To implement this project, we have designed the following modules. The first module is Marketing Manager module. So using this module, manager will log into the application by using the username as manager and password as manager. So in this module, we have the sub-module Calculate Returns. Using this module, manager can select stock name and choose start and end date and get returns from start to end date and generates a report. Coming to the next module, that is Analyst module. Using this module, analyst will log into the application using username and password as analyst, and then he can view all the reports generated by the manager. In this module, we have the sub-module that is View Reports for Investment Decisions. Using this module, analyst will select report name and it contains date. This date selects from which date to which date the report will be generated. Execution. To execute this project, first we need to open the code folder which contains the project source code files. So this is the code folder. Inside this code folder, we have reports folder, stock dataset folder, SVM stock folder, SVM stock app folder, manage.py file, run.bat file. Reports folder. The reports which are downloaded at last will be provided in this folder. Stock dataset. The inbuilt dataset or the provided dataset of the stock companies will be provided here. SVM stock folder. Using this folder, there are Python code files that are intended to be dynamically loaded into the project during runtime. These files serve the purpose of removing duplicates. SVM stock app folder. This folder comprises of three more folders, that is static folder, templates folder, and Python code files. Coming to the static folder, it contains files related to CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. These files contribute to the visual and interactive aspects of the application. Templates folder. Within this folder, we will find all the HTML pages used throughout the project. It includes pages like index.html, home.html, and more, representing various sections of the website. Python code files. These files consist of Python code that will be executed during the runtime of the application, supporting its functionality. Manage.py file. It is a command line utility that comes with Django. It provides various commands for managing Django projects, including tasks like running the development server, creating database tables, applying migrations, and more. Run.bat file. Instead of executing the program through the command line interface, we have created Windows bat file to execute the project. This file provides an alternative way to execute the project. Coming to the main execution part, when we double click on run.bat file, manage.py file is compiled. In the command line, we can see after running the manage.py file, the Django framework will host the application locally at the default address. This is the local host and this is the port number. Copy the local link and paste it on any of the web browsers. I prefer Chrome here. Paste it and type index.html at the end and hit on enter. This is the front end built using Django framework. Now we have a market manager link and also analyst link. Click on marketing manager link. Provide the credentials of the manager. I am providing it as the username as manager and the password manager. And now select the user type. As I am selecting as manager, I am providing the manager type as manager, and now click on login. So here you can see in red color text welcome manager message, and we have calculate returns link here. So by using calculate returns link, manager can select the stock name and choose start and end date and get returns from start to end date. Click on this, and this is the company I am going to provide. Same company I am providing, and I am selecting the start date as 2018 November 1st, and the end date I am providing as 2020 November 20. Now click on calculate returns. So here you can see the graph. In y-axis we have the number of days, and in the x-axis we have number of days, and in the y-axis we have the stock price. In red color line we can see the invested amount which we have, which the customer or the user has invested, and in the blue color line we can see the returns for the invested amount. So now go back, and this is the table in which we have the start date or the date, exact date when we have asked the report of exact date, and the invested amount, return amount, and also loss or profit. This is the report generated for the ALGT company. This is the stock report. And now again click on calculate returns, provide another company's. So here I am providing it as T, and the start date I am providing as 2018 November 7th, and the end date I am providing it as 2019 November 2nd. So now click on this. Here you can see the number of days and stock price, invested amount, and the return amount. The invested amount is in red color lines or red color graph, and in blue color line we can see the returns for the invested amount. Now go back. So this is the report for the T company. From start date is 2018 November 7th to 2019 November 2nd. Now again click on calculate returns and provide another company's name. Here I am providing as OSBC, and the date I am providing it as 2021 January 1st. So providing it January 1st to, again click on the end date. Now provide the end date is 2021 January 31st. So click on calculate returns. Here you can see the graph, and now go back. This is the report screen or the investment report screen, and here we have date, invested amount, returns amount, and loss or profit of OSBC company. Now log out, and now click on analyst login. Provide the credentials, username and password. Credentials as analyst, username analyst, and password the same, analyst. And now select the user type as analyst and click on login. Here you can see in red color text we get the welcome message as analyst. And now click on view report for investment decisions. So using this link, analyst will select report name, and it also contains date, also from which date to which date the report has to be generated. So based on that report, the report will be generated. Here I am choosing the same company. Okay, let us take this. Click on that. So here you can see. So in this screen, first column represents the date, and second column represents invested amount, third column returns amount, and fourth column loss or profit. Now again click on view reports. So here I am providing as OSBC and get report. Now log out. So this is how stock market prediction using support vector machine works for any company or any institutions or any organizations. So I have to conclude by saying that the successful application of SVM in stock market prediction contributes valuable insights to the broader field of financial research. It advances our understanding of market dynamics, potentially leading to the development of more effective forecasting methodologies. The application of support vector machines for stock market prediction represents a promising avenue for enhancing the accuracy and sophistication of forecasting in the dynamic world of finance. Through this exploration, we have delved into the key objectives and methodologies involved in leveraging SVM to predict stock prices. SVM contributes to risk mitigation by identifying and assessing potential risks associated with stock markets. As we navigate the complexities of financial markets, the integration of advanced machine learning techniques such as SVM offers a pathway towards more accurate and informed decision making. While challenges persist in predicting the market behavior, the pursuit of refining and optimizing SVM models represents a step forward in harnessing the power of data to navigate the unpredictable terrain of stock investments. This is all about stock market prediction using support vector machine. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.